Hi.
Recording started.
Yeah,
Oh, hold on.
recording. Oh,
Hello.
yeah. Hi.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Uh, Yeah, I can hear you. I forgot there's a mute button.
Mm. All right. Yes. So, how are you?
Good. Good.
All
It's
right.
better than before.
Uh huh.
Yeah, actually, yesterday I was not. I was out of myself.
Mm.
Today is
Solving
okay.
it. Mm.
Yeah. Mm.
Are there any improvements?
Ah, not yet,
Not
but
yet. Mm.
yeah, right now I have to make improvement. Improvement.
Mm. Wow. All right. Well, good luck. Hopefully, there would
Mhm.
be. Yeah.
Thank you. What about you?
Mhm.
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, it's Friday, so it's a great day.
Oh, yeah, TGIF.
Yes, that's right.
Mm, mm.
TGIF. So I hope you'll enjoy today so that you can relax tomorrow. Or-
That's really, I really need that relax on this
Mm,
weekend.
absolutely. You gotta
Mm.
order those sushi now so you
Oh,
can eat it tomorrow.
that's very, very, very good idea.
All right. And
Mm.
today we will continue with where's this? Lesson 9.
Lesson 9.
Yep. One moment. Here.
Mhm.
Teaching
New
from
lesson.
space. Yeah, that's right. Astronauts teach from space.
Okay.
Yeah, so here is the lesson. Here's the
Okay.
story. Okay.
Let me read the lesson. It was an
Mhm.
eye-opening lesson that eye-opening. Surprising?
Eye opening. Surprising, or it gives you like new information like
The
that.
information. Okay.
Enlightening. Yeah.
That 60 million school children in China will never
Mm-hmm.
forget. Mm. A, a rival lecture where the
Mm.
tutor was in space. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Giving a new light to satellite lessons. New light to satellite lessons. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
this one is also new information, right?
Yeah.
New light.
New
Okay.
light or like yeah, new perspective like that.
Mm. Wang Yaping
Mm-hmm.
made a water film with a water bag and metal ring to show that the surface tension of water
Mm-hmm.
magnifies in space due to zero gravity. Ah, with water film with water bag and metal ring to show that the
Mm-hmm.
surface tension of water magnifies. Surface tension of water.
The
Surface
surface
tension of
magnifies, yeah, the
water.
surface tension magnifies in space, so because of zero gravity. Yeah, it's really hard to imagine it without seeing it with your own
Yeah.
eyes. Oh, we need this live lecture from that
there is a
astronaut.
there is a zero gravity, so
Mm.
the water doesn't drop down.
Yeah, that's true.
Mm,
Just like the people there, they're always floating.
yeah, floating water.
Mm.
But why? What does that mean? Magnifies. Magnifies.
Magnifies. Yeah, I'm not sure too about the surface tension, but I think it
Mm,
becomes like more stronger like that. I
mm,
mean, much stronger. So
much
surface
stronger.
tension becomes like much stronger or
Okay.
becomes much bigger in space.
Okay. Next one.
Hmm.
Lee Hae-seng, the crew's commander, sat Indian style, Indian style, into a meditation sitting posture in the air. Ah,
Do you know the Indian style
meditations.
of sitting?
Actually, I can imagine that someone who meditates in the morning
Mm.
in the room on the floor,
Mm.
or
That person's legs are crossed.
yeah, for example, the Buddhist, uh, the
Mm. The
the
monks.
people, yeah, monks,
Mm.
when they try to pray for Buddhist,
Mm-hmm.
set they sit down, something like that.
Mm. Yeah, they
Mm,
sit cross-legged or Indian style.
yes. Ah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, a move normally seen in the movies. Move normally seen in the movies, but only possible with special effect.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
So basically, he was sitting Indian style
yeah.
up in
And
the
move
air.
normally seen in the movies, but only
Mm-hmm.
possible with special effect.
That's true.
Mm,
Because we're
mm,
always on the floor, gravity is pulling us down, so
yes.
we cannot
Mm,
float while sitting Indian style.
mhm. Okay. And students were also shown how the astronauts measure their weight in the weightless orbiter.
It, mm-hmm,
Orbiter. Because normal scales are a bust in space.
mm-hmm.
Normal scales are a bust in space.
Yep, that's right. A bust, so
Space.
basically, like, it doesn't work like that. It's not useful in
Uh-huh.
space.
Okay. What's that orbiter?
Uh, I think
Orbiter.
it's an. I think it is a
Their
tool
weight
or something.
is orbiter.
Yeah, weight orbiter. Basically, they don't use the normal
Mm, mm.
skiing weight here, but they use. I'm not sure what orbiter means. I think it's a tool to
Cool.
measure. Yeah, it's a tool
Ah,
they use to measure their weight.
really?
Yeah.
When I search the term in the internet, that is
Oh,
also a space.
space.
Yeah, spaceship.
Spaceship. Mm. So yeah, they measure their weight in the weightless orbiter. Yeah, so
Mm,
I'm assuming it is something they use to measure their weight because they cannot use normal scales there.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because those scales are lost in space.
Right.
Shown how the astronaut measure their weight in the weightless orbit. Oh yeah. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
A special scale is used, designed on the basis of Newton's second law of motion. I forgot Newton's table.
Yeah, me
Okay.
too. Newton's second law. Um, where is that?
A theory that probably normally goes over most people's head, but with
Mm-mm.
its show and tell, it's definitely more understandable. Oh, it's really difficult.
It's it's all about science. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's quite difficult to understand because yeah, we are just reading it.
Mm. Newton's second law of motion.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't
Newton's
know.
second law. Mm, wait, I'm also searching for Newton's second law.
Goes over motion.
Oh, okay. According to Google, this is Newton's second law. The force the force acting on an object is equal to the mass of that object times its acceleration. So the mass of something and
Mm,
multiply it to its acceleration is that
mm.
equals its force. So in uh if we write it in a formula, wow, physics. I
아,
really I really hated physics when I was in school.
아, 힘과 가속도의 법칙. 아, if um,
Why?
you, I'm a waiter than you, right? Mm,
Hey, you have more weight.
yeah,
Mm-mm.
yeah, I have more weight. So,
Mm-hmm.
for example, if I run, if
Mm-hmm.
we run,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, after a while, because
Mm-hmm.
of my weight I have more weight than you. My
Mm-hmm.
speed is more speedy than you.
Right, right. Yeah. Your
Yeah, but
mass and also your acceleration. Yeah. So the force
mhm,
is much bigger.
mhm.
Oh,
That one
science.
is Newton's second law of motion.
Mm-mm. So that's how they designed the scale. So they designed the
Oh,
scale based on Newton's second law of motion.
okay. So, uh,
But actually, yeah, the main
I
point
I cannot
of
imagine
this,
how they can make the special scale in the space.
that's true. Yeah, me
Mm,
too. I think we need to see it. But I'm trying to search for
mhm,
this weightless
mm,
orbiter, but yeah, it just shows me shuttle, space shuttle.
mhm.
Yeah, so it's quite hard to find that on the internet. I'm not sure. It just shows me like shuttle like that, spaceship. So, all right. But anyway, I think the main point of this article is that they gave a live lecture from space. Some astronauts
Yes,
gave a live lecture from space
that's right.
to
Mm.
600 60
Million
60 million school
million school
children in
children
China.
in China. Mm.
Yes. And this thing actually happened in real life. Yeah.
It means those kind of video lecture can be delivered to the 60 million school children in China, right?
That's true. That's true. And it was even real time.
Oh,
It was a real
mm.
time lecture.
It's amazing, right?
I
So,
know. They
yeah.
used satellite, I think, to broadcast the video because I also read the article related to this and yeah,
Hmm.
it really happened.
Okay.
For the names, I think they just changed the names.
Hmm.
But this one really happened. Yeah, an astronaut gave a live lecture
Hmm.
from space.
But what's that water film? Water film.
Made of water
The water
film.
bag, a metal ring to show the surface of water film. To lecture
Hmm.
those kind of theory or uh, very specific situation to the many school children.
Mm,
Yang Wang Yeping made water film.
that's right. Yeah. So
Mm,
water film, very thin plastic like that, and then water is transparent inside.
mm-hmm,
Yeah. So like a transparent container
mm-hmm,
containing water.
mm-hmm,
Yeah, that's a water film.
mm-hmm. And
All
okay,
right.
so what was that show and tell?
Show where?
The last
Uh
last sentence, show and tell.
ah. So show and tell basically. They're talking about it while showing, demonstrating something.
Mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm,
they're demonstrating and explaining
mm-hmm,
something
mm-hmm,
at the same time.
mm-hmm,
So they're showing it and they're explaining it at the
mm-hmm.
same time here.
The process of showing an audience something and telling them about it. Ah, okay.
Yeah, like this is a cup of water like that. So show and tell. This is a cup, this is a water film like that, and then yeah, they explain the
This is the
experiment.
sparkling water, something like that.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Why is it sparkling though? What is the difference with a regular water?
Don't you know?
Anya? No.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We just drink
Oh,
tap water here in the Philippines.
ah, sparkling water. It's kind of it's water, but I can feel like when I drink beer,
Like
soda.
there's acid like that
No, 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 soda,
when you're drinking soda, like Coke,
Coke,
Coca-Cola, cider.
or the Sprite.
Ah,
But
interesting.
there's
But
no
it's
more
just
sugar.
water.
But just this is just water. No more sugar.
Interesting. Yeah, because in the Philippines, we just drink purified water or
Mm-hmm.
distilled water.
Oh, no, actually, it's really general water in Europe. There
Hmm.
is a two types of water purifier,
Uh-uh.
mineral water and the sparkling water.
Interesting. We have the first one, mineral water.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we use in the Philippines.
Mm-hmm. Ah, so that's the reason why you don't know.
Yeah, I've
Mm-hmm.
never tasted sparkling water ever.
And normally, when I come back home, actually
Oh.
to relax,
Mm,
I drink a beer, something like that. But it's
mm.
really hard for me. It's really bad for my health. Every day drinking beer, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
instead of drinking a beer, I drink sparkling water like a beer.
And it kind of feels the same, but it's
Yeah,
healthier, right?
yeah, that's
Sparkling
right.
water is healthier.
That's right.
I
Mm.
see. All right. Well, anyway, thanks for showing me sparkling water today, but yeah, we do have to go, so we'll continue with idioms Monday on Monday.
Okay, thank you.
All right. See you then. Bye-bye.
I will try to make a call on Saturday.
Okay. All right. We'll
Bye.
talk to you then. Bye.
Mm.